Today, we'll give an overview of the reading section passages, question types, scoring, timing tips, and additional reminders. In the reading section, there are 3 passages with 9 to 10 questions per passage. If there's a fill in the table question, you'll have 9 questions. You'll have 54 minutes for 3 passages and 72 minutes if there's a 4th ungraded randomly placed dummy passage. So, practice your pacing to complete each passage in 18 minutes or less. Each passage is around 700 words and comes from real textbooks, course materials, and published articles. TOEFL uses diverse university-level readings that introduce a discipline or topic to measure how well you can read academic materials. Common topics: social sciences, professional disciplines, hard sciences, and humanities, including psychology, chemistry, geology, art history, literature, and philosophy. Question types can be classified in 10 ways. First, there are factual information questions, and you'll get between 2 and 5 of these per set. There are also negative factual information questions, which may not come up at all, or there may be up to 2 of these per set. Then there are the inference, rhetorical purpose, and vocabulary questions. There will be between 1 to 2 of these per set. Next are the reference questions, that's between 0 and 2 per set. Sentence simplification questions, between 0 and 1 question per set. Insert text and prose summary questions, there'll be 1 of these per set. And fill in the table, which will be between 0 and 1 question per set. Questions with a star will always appear on the test. These are factual information, inference, rhetorical purpose, vocabulary, and insert text. We'll delve into each of these question types later, so find out how to strategically approach these questions in our lectures. Each reading section has 32 to 33 raw points total. That's converted to a scaled score, ranging from 0 to 30. Here is a score conversion chart for your reference. When reading, focus on understanding the main points and structure, rather than spending too much time to understand the details. If you come across an unfamiliar concept or vocabulary word, try your best to understand the context and move on. Because you have to divide your time between the passages, pace yourself so that you're spending 18 minutes or less per passage. If you encounter a question that you're struggling to answer, move on and come back to it later. Build a habit of reading a few pages a day. Pick up a book or news article that discusses an academic topic. After reading a few paragraphs, practice summarizing their structure to build your reading comprehension skills over time. Some difficult words may have definitions provided. If not, pay attention to context clues to infer the meaning. Take notes on the passage structure. This will help you answer some questions. In order to see the first question, you have to scroll all the way down in the passage. Remember, you can skip questions and return to them later, so don't spend too much time on questions that you're having trouble with. Finally, don't use your background knowledge to solve questions. Even if a familiar topic comes up, remember that you have to answer using the information given in the passage. Look out for our future lectures to get more in-depth strategies on how to master the reading section.